Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You have any secret I keep? You think you can hide it from everybody all of the time? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, where you wait, Panny, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, say you don't miss none of what I go on right so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 8 from verse 16 to verse 18. Nobody no light lamp and cover it with one bucket or put it under one bed. Lamp put on where people can see the light when them come in at the house. Not hide where nobody nah go know. No secret no there. We nah go come out in I open. Listen good. Anybody we understand when me teach, I go understand more. But the one them we no understand, even the sitting them where them think them understand, them nah go understand no more. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.